It's August 8th, 2018, Highlands, New Jersey. This is about 14 hours after the August 7th storm of the evening of August 7th. We had a major thunderstorm, lots of rain, tremendous downpour, which overwhelmed the storm drain system. And I'm standing at Recreation and Putty. I'm standing here at near the intersection where there are storm drains in all four corners, and they all clogged up, and the end result was the water sought the low point of escape, which is the T section of the Rogers Ave and the Marina Bulkhead and Recreation Place. And here's where the water escaped for much of the downtown area. The water here obviously tried to escape through the storm drain. It didn't make it and plugged up and ended up going out through the bulkhead. And I'm standing on Rogers Ave now, and this is the bulkhead that forms Captain's Cove Marina. And it went right through these holes. I'm near a piling here, and the bulkhead has long ago been full of holes, allowing water to escape. And the end result is that along this line of the bulkhead, we've had numerous blowouts of this vinyl bulkhead, and it is a problem. I'm going to show you some more holes here. This is deep. This is about a foot deep here. Let's continue on. I'm just going to walk down the bulkhead from Recreation to Beetle Place. The water came out of Recreation here, flowed around this property, 11 Recreation Place, and here is a major blowout here. I guesstimate this is 2 foot deep. It is just quite a gouge into, and again, look at the marina bulkhead. It's non-existent here. The plywood has been pushed back long ago, and the water is just gushing out. In fact, if we look hard enough, you can see daylight in this bulkhead. Here's a 2x4. It must be 3 feet, about 3 feet. So there you go. It's that deep. Again, the marina has bulged out. You can see here the blowouts. We're going to see them in closer detail as we approach Beetle Place. Let's walk down. I'm falling in actually as I do this. Again, more gullies, more erosion all along this area here. The water came right through here. It gouged out all these holes, these gullies. Here's another major breach here in the bulkhead. Garbage is piled up. You can see the direction of the water going into around these pilings, creating more breaches. There's another gully here. Here's quite a series of gullies coming up. I'm standing on Rogers Ave, and as you look up Rogers Ave, it's just one huge gully here. This is dangerous. This is borough property. This is borough property that is creating a hazard. This, again, is the breach part of the bulkhead. Water rushed through. Here we have mountains of garbage. Get a closer look. More garbage rushing in. Get a feel for the height of the gully here, the depth of the gully, I should say, and the holes. They're just literally, there's not much left here. I believe if I get on the other side of this bulkhead, you will see the extent of what I call a blowout. I don't know if that's clear enough. It is the vinyl bulkhead is completely pushed out. It's about 45 degrees out of the bulkhead. There's another one here. It's clear on the video, I believe it's a little bit more clear. Another blowout here. This is the end of the gully here at the property line of about near the property line of 11 Recreation And the next property here, there's less of a blowout, but I'm near Beetle Place now, and here's another major point of erosion. Going again, escaping through this hole in the bulkhead. There was lots of gasoline on the in the water last night. Here's a tank. I don't know if this is the gas tank that tipped over last night, but there was so much gasoline in the water and you could smell it. I had to keep the windows closed. You could not open the windows. It was that bad. Here's another breach, the bulkhead. You can see the path of the water. More garbage piled up. Dirt, debris. This is Beetle Place. And they did a little bit better here near number 2 Beetle Place. Here it's a little bit better, but it's really been horrific, and Rogers Ave is a mess. You can't walk through it. That's a wrap.